What is up, everybody? Nerdy Boy here, and today I have a few packs I want to open up. I have Sun and Moon Guardian. I got 3 of those. A lot of Sun and Moons, not the ones I wanted to get, but make do with what you got, right? I got Burning Shadows, 4 of those, and then 3 Faith Collide. So I guess we'll start with let's start with the Guardians. Then go to Faith, then go to some of the Sun and Moon. We'll go half and half. Alright, let's get to this. Okay. There's a code. I kind of hate looking at this. 1, 2, 3. I think it's 3. Let's do 4. 4. Water. Alright, so it's 4. We'll play a game. Let's see who can get the energy card. So, water. Let's see what we can get, guys. Alolan Vulpix. Slowpoke. Machop. Reverse Hollow. And our rare is Ligant, but non-holographic. That's one of the Guardians Rising. Let's open up a regular Sun Moon. One, 2, 3, 4. All right. Guess that energy. Electric. Fire. I suck. Pinsir. Trainer. Golbat. Paris. Donald Trump. Shelter. Another Golbat. Piplup. The reverse hollow is a Boulder. And Sharpedo hollow. That was nice. I am gonna get some Hidden Faith ones. I'm trying to get more evolution ones. One, 2, 3, 4. Alright, guess that energy. Psychic. Fairy. Trainer. Golbat. Trainer. Liddy? Is that? Yeah, Liddy. Neevee. What the hell is that? Poliwag. Carvanha. Reverse hollow and the rare non-hollow burst skin. Another Sun and Moon. Sun and Moon. I'm trying not to look at the back of the card. One, 2, 3, 4. It kind of ruins the point of opening them when you see the back. Oh, I forgot to play the guessing game. Fighting. Golbat. Trainer. Be that guy. Carvanha. Chinchou Hypno Reverse Hollow. I like how this card looks. And our secret Sandy. Oh no, Palisand. Sandy's a little one. Those are Sun and Moons. Let's open up Faith and Collide. Let's see, I don't know if this one has the energy in the front, but let's guess Fire. Nope, so this is different. And this was my rare. So this one's probably 3 to the front. Just Fighting. Dugon. Relu. Snubble. Can't really see them from the phone that great. Clink, clank, clickety clack. And our reverse hollow is Team Rocket. Yeah, that Almost Star was our rare, but non-hollow. So that was 3 to the front. Faith, no. So Faith is I think 3. The other ones are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, guess that energy. Water. Nope. Sudowoodo. Sudowoodo. What the hell? I'm like, for a minute, it looked like a weird looking Mankey. Tentacool. Clefairy. And a reverse hollow. Nice. And oh, Machamp. That's a nice little Machamp too. Look at that. Back to Sun and Moon. One, two, three, four. Let's see if I did it right again. Electric. Nope. Alolan Raticate. Oh, there's a sand. Ooh, a Dratini. A reverse hollow is. Oh, a Jolteon. Jolteon. Idiot. Umbreon. Umbreon GX. Nice. There you guys go. Nice. Let's see what else we can get in here. Get some luck going, guys. Get some luck going. One, two, three, four to the front. And Psychic. Oh, fire. Cast, Caterpie. That's Gormley. Yeah, that's a good artwork. Reverse Hollow and Cotton Candy. And did it again. Lunella GX. Nice GX. Nice. Full art. Try not to look at the back of these cards because I don't want to see what I get. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And fighting. Water. Should have went with water. Poliwag. Poliworld. Psyduck. There's the card right there. The best card ever. Psyduck. Cotton Candy. Our reverse hollow is a Crushing Hammer trainer card. And our card is a Scotland non-hollow. Alright. Some Faith Collide. So Faith Collide was 3 to the front, guys. 1, 2, 3. I think that's what it was. Not sure. We'll find out. Trainer, if this is a rare or not. Ultra Ball. Kabuto. Diglett. Coffin. Reverse Hollow Relu. So it was 3 to the front. And then our rare is a Grumpig. Non-hollow. Let's go with another Sun and Moon regular. One, two, three, 4. Fairy. Nope. Failure. Some Pokeballs for you guys. Trainers. Growlithe. Some of these cards I can't see the names. I'm looking at it from the camera, so I forget their names. Ooh, look at that Mahuhita. I mean Hirama. Reverse hollow. And then ooh. GX, guys. Another GX. Let's go with the Faith Collide. Ugh, I looked at the card. Shit. 1, 2, 3. 3 for Faith, right? Yep. I like how every pack has different artwork. But everybody's loving those evolution packs. Brings them back in time. Of course, you got a chance to get a reverse holo or holo Charizard from those evolution. Trainer, Doom Fossil Kabuto. And then a Mew. Holographic Mew. Nice. Our Sun and Moon Guardians. So this one's 4. To the front. And I didn't play it because I already saw it a mistake. Machoke. Trainer. Flinchland. Another, no, that's a Machop. Carvana, na. There's a reverse holo and our non-holographic. Alright, let's move to our Burning Shadows. Good luck. One, two, three, 4. Okay, so it's 4 also with these. Plorigons. Which one's this one? 2. Metapod. Sandicast. Horse. And there's our reverse holo trainer. Oops. Non-holographic. But we're having fun. Let's get it going. Fire. Grass. Alolan Vulpix. And there's our Mount Trainer, and then Alolan Raticate non-holo. One, two, three, 4. Fighting. Nope. I'm horrible at this, guys. Let me know if you got any of them. Rotom. Trainer. Different Alolan grammar. Raylu. Alolan Vulpix. And there's our reverse holo. Moment of truth. Oh. Non-holographic. And our last pack, guys. One, two, three, four. Pikachu? Nice little artwork. And a Rhyhorn, reverse hollow. And a Ninetales non-holographic. That is it, guys. Let me know if you saw anything you like. Comment below. We did a couple good ones. The Mew I like, the GXs, the Machamp. Let me know.